Hi, in this video you'll learn about activities in ProSTART and how they can be scheduled on the calendar. Activities are created in a variety of ways in ProSTART, and each one will show on the calendar unless you choose to hide it. Activities is a general term and could mean many things for your business. They could be tasks, appointments, events, meetings, reminders, just about anything that happens at a certain date or time. Activities can stand alone or be linked to a particular client, contact, prospect, opportunity, or project. They can be created directly on the calendar or from related records. They can also be assigned to one or more staff and set up so that everyone gets an email or text alert. Let's look first at the simplest ways to create activities and what you can do with them. Scheduled activities are indicated on the little mini calendar found on most layouts. If there are any assigned to you, they show as pink, and clicking that day will open the calendar. If none are assigned to you yet, a new activity is created when you click a day. You can also create an activity directly from the main calendar, which is covered in a separate video. In addition, activities can be viewed and created from the records to which they are linked. For example, to see all activities assigned to you, go to your staff record. The Activities main screen offers many options. Over here is the basic information about the activity and its scheduled dates and times. To show on the calendar, an activity must have a name and category, so Other is auto-entered as the default for new activities. To deliberately not show on the calendar, check this box. In addition, an activity must have a start and end date to show on the calendar, even if it's the same day. A start and end time is also needed, unless you check this box to make it an all-day activity, such as a holiday or a day off. There is a default duration in settings that automatically sets the length of your activity, and you can change these times directly if you need to. This button down here will sync an activity to your Outlook calendar if you have that feature set up in your ProStart. Refer to the Outlook setup instructions for more information. Over on the right is where you can link an activity to a prospect or client, and then to any of their contacts, opportunities, or projects. These get filled in automatically if you create an activity from those records, and the activity will show in a list. For example, each client has a list of activities to which they are linked. Click any icon to open a linked record in another window. A list of active staff shows at the bottom. Check a box to assign this activity to one or more staff, or all to assign it to everyone. To narrow the visible list, enter a name or department in the filter and press Enter. Click here to show only assigned staff. In addition, you may want to send an alert to each assigned staff, either now or later. On the staff record are checkboxes to designate which email or text addresses to use for alerts. There's also an email template in the settings area used for alerts, and this has to be set to auto-send. Click Now when you're ready, or check to do it later on the day of the activity. There is also an option to set up recurring activities in case you have regularly scheduled events or want to make duplicates. Check the Recurring box to open your Recurrence Options window. There are patterns and options for daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly, and exceptions can be made. When you're ready, click the green button to generate all the recurring activities, which could take a few moments if you're making a lot of them. To save an activity from the main screen, click the green button here. To abort or delete, click the trash can button, and it will be removed from all other places where it appears. You may print a list of activities from the calendar or by using a report. Note that activities can also be created in special ways from sales orders or projects. More info about scheduling recurring sales orders as activities or turning project tasks into scheduled activities will be covered in other videos. Well, that's the basics about working with activities in ProStart. Thanks for watching.